Welcome to class. Hello, I'm Miss Faust. Today is another vocabulary day. Are you excited? I hope so. We're going to be dealing with some geometry terms. Okay, does that sound good? Okay. Listen, there's some music. While you're listening to the music, perk up the ears, listen to the music. Please get paper and a pen or pencil so you can take down the notes. You will need these notes for today's assignment. Any questions? No? Fantastic. I love it. Let's get going. We will start over here. As I said, vocabulary. We've got to learn more vocabulary. Let's build up our vocabulary. Doesn't matter that it's math. That's okay. We've got 5 words for today. Oh, I think we're going to turn off the music for now. Okay, I'm fine now. Here we go. Our very first word is line. Our definition is a line of points that extends infinitely in 2 directions. Okay, that's great, Miss Faust. That helped me out. Good. I'm glad to hear that. I'm going to try and put it in simpler terms. Here's a beautiful picture. Artistic, aren't I? Yes, indeed, I am. Thank you, thank you. Do I get an award for this? I do? I don't. Oh, shucks. Okay, what we're talking about is when you have a line, yes, it is a line. Exactly. And on that line, it has various points. They could be labeled as A or B or C or W. See these points? So this is our line, the green. Here are the various points, W, X, Y. They could be any letters. Any letters. Okay? And if you notice, like little arrows at the end, that means when you have a line with points, it can go forever, either end. That end, it just goes forever. Does that make sense? So this line can go in infinitely in both directions. It goes forever in both directions. So it goes this way and it goes that way. Okay, moving on. We've got this one here, parallel lines. That's a fun one. When I think of parallel lines, I think of parallel parking. So if you are driving or you're getting ready to drive, like for the driver's test, and someone says to you, oh, we should really practice parallel parking, you have an idea of what you're supposed to do, don't you? And parallel parking can be a challenge. It definitely can. Let's see what it's all about. When you have parallel lines, you've got, obviously, 2 lines. 2 lines, definition, in a plane. And when we talk about a plane, no, we're not talking about the plane up in the sky going, woo, we're going to Canada. Woo, we're going down to Russia. Woo, down to Argentina. No. Plane is something that's like on the surface. It's flat, on the surface. Okay. Now the lines, when you're parallel, you don't meet. You're next door to each other, but you don't meet. Just like when you parallel park, try not to meet the other car. I don't think the other driver will appreciate it. It backs it. Yeah, it's not a good idea. Okay, so lines in a plane which do not meet. We have 2 lines, flat surface. They're next to each other. They don't crisscross. They don't go across. They're just next to each other. Any questions? No? Good. We're on a roll. Woo! Now, we have the Ray. Yes, we would love to say, hey, Ray, you going to go to the soccer game tomorrow? No. We're talking about the math word, Ray. Okay, so what is the Ray all about? Please make sure, I'm looking. Ooh, I see some people are not taking notes. Ooh, you wait till you get the assignment. Okay, it's a line. Again, You can go, woo! That way, that way. That has one endpoint. So this line, instead of being able to go in both ways, however far it wants to go, on one side, it's got a little point that says, can't go any further. Can't go anywhere. That end you can go, but over here, this way, no. And on one side, it goes on forever. I think I just explained that. Okay, a line that has one endpoint, right here, stopped. You're stopped right there. But the other one, the other side here, can go on forever. See the arrow? Okay, we're on a roll, aren't we? Great. Two to go, two to go, two to go. Woo! I'm excited. Intersecting lines. Woo! Think about parallel. Think about parallel. Two lines. Notice we've got the word lines popping up all over the place. Two lines. You got two. Two. Okay. They share exactly one point. So in a way, they could crisscross. However you like. They can go like this. They can go like that. They can go like this. Or, oh, look at that. Perfect. So they're sharing one point. It's because they're both going through. Okay? Does that make sense? That one point, you can sort of like make a point right here if you want it. They share. They're not parallel where they're saying, I don't know you. I'm not talking to you. So they're staying on each one on the opposite side. They're crisscrossing. They're going to say, hi, buddy. Okay. Finally, we have something called collinear line points. Ooh, sorry. That word lines. Stuck in my head. Now, these are points, such as over here. Notice, we have points, W, X, Y. That's what we're talking about. Those kinds of points that lay on a straight line. So the line is straight. Straight. If this is the table, the line is straight on the top of that table. Okay? Going both directions, and you just have little points on the line. Very similar to here. Okay? But just the point being, here's the key. A straight line. It cannot be going like this. Can't be going like this. It's got to go whew, and then along the way you have points. Any questions? Anything at all? No? You're fine? You've got all the notes? Okay, here comes the assignment. Get ready. You're thinking, oh good, I'll just give her a copy of my notes. No. No, 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 no. Not this time. Okay, hold on. Just gotta check something. Oh yeah. Okay. I'm getting ready for my music, that's why. Gotta set up the music. Okay. I want you to make sure. I want you to do your own version of these drawings. Pretend they're complete drawings, not just paper on the board. I want you to do your own versions of the drawings. Your own version. And I want you to make sure you label them so I can figure out what you're talking about. Because it's going to be easy to mix up these two. So I need to know which one's your line, which one's your collinear points. Because linear means straight on a line. Okay, I'm ready for music. Let's see if we got it. Is it going to work? Hold on. Oh, I got it. Hit the wrong button. Okay. Do you have any questions? So I need to see drawings, beautiful drawings. Okay, I think the music is finished. And as soon as you're done with those wonderful drawings, I need you to send them immediately to me. Today. Have a great day. Till next time. Bye-bye.